I think she thinks the box is for her. She's like on top of the box and she's not getting off. Lulu, get off the box. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. I'm Fabiola if you don't know me, and I create lifestyle, fashion, beauty, and decor videos here on my channel. I also love to blog, and if you love any of that, consider subscribing, click that notification bell, and follow me on social media. So today's video is a very exciting one. I have this huge box here that I'm going to be unboxing. It's a surprise. I don't know what's inside. All I know is that there's lots of pink and that it's girly, and I'm just beyond grateful. I almost feel like it's my birthday, but it's not. So my beautiful friend Joey sent this huge box out to me, and I am just beyond grateful. I'm so excited. I'm like literally speechless. I am so lucky to have found Joey as my friend. So me and Joey actually met through YouTube, and we've been just like chatting back and forth. We send each other messages. We send each other like recommendations from like Amazon and pink and girly stuff. And I feel like we just have like so much in common, and she's just super sweet. She's gorgeous. I'm going to list a picture of Joey right here so you guys can meet her, but I am just so grateful to have found her. But I am very excited for her because she's going to be starting her YouTube channel very soon, and I can't wait till she does. I'll be the first one watching her videos, and of course I'll let you guys know once her video goes up so you guys can go ahead, watch her videos, and subscribe to her. She's super sweet, and she has a beautiful beauty room. I'll attach some pictures up here too so you guys can see her beauty room, but it's gorgeous. It's like a dream. It's pink, girly, everything I love. And if you guys love that, you're definitely gonna love subscribing to her channel. So make sure to be on the lookout for her channel. It's gonna be called JJ's Pink Secrets. And like I said, I will definitely be the first one to let you guys know once her first video goes up so we can support her and go watch her videos and subscribe to her. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. This just means so much to me, and I am just beyond grateful that we became friends and that I met you. So I'm very excited. So I'm going to unbox this. I actually got this last night after I came back from my vacation, and I was like, oh my goodness, it's here. But I couldn't film because I had, you know, a few things going on that day. I had people over. So I was just like, I had it in my room, and I was like, oh my goodness, this is like such a temptation. Like, I need to open this box. So yes, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, I don't know what's inside. All she said was that it was pink and girly, and that is it. So you guys, I love surprises. I don't know if you guys love that, but it just makes my heart melt. So, oh my goodness, this is so cute. It's like lots of pink. I can't wait. Okay, so there's a bunch of stuff in here. It's pretty heavy. When I saw the box, I was like, girl, what did you put in here? It's packed, and I don't even know where to start. Okay, so this is it, and it looks like there is a card attached in here. Aw, this is so cute. It says thank you. It says, hello Fabi, my newfound friend who I just adore. Thank you for picking me as your winner to your giveaway. I just love my Chanel shirt. So in return, I wanted to show my appreciation with these gifts to add to your beauty room. From this day forward, I hope we bond a long-lasting friendship. Love, Janina. Love, JJ. And her new channel, like I said, it's going to be JJ's Pink Secrets. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, girl. You mean so much to me, and I am just so thankful and so blessed to have a wonderful friend like you. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm gonna start with this one, which is on the top, and she packaged everything so beautifully. It's in like this light pink checkered print. You are like the sweetest thing ever. Oh, this is so cute. This is adorable. It's like a keychain. This is so adorable. It's a super cute mirror keychain. And it says, Coffee Mascara Hustle, cheering you on. I just sent her a text message telling her that I am unboxing it. I am very excited. Okay, so the next thing I have here is this one here. This one is soft. You guys, I feel like a little kid like unboxing the presents in Christmas time. It's so exciting. This looks like it's pink. Oh, this is so adorable. Oh my goodness, I don't have anything like this. This is so cute. It's like a little plaque to put on your desk, and it says Studious, and it's pink. It's gorgeous. Let me show you guys a close-up. I love this. This is so cute. I've seen these, but I've never seen a pink one. So I'm very excited. Can't wait to put that on my desk. So the next thing I have here is this little box. Ooh, Luminara Real Flame Candle Effect set of 2 tea lights. It's like little flame candles. These are so wonderful, because if you guys don't like to light candles and you just want to have like that effect of candles, these are wonderful. And I don't have anything like that, so I'm very excited. These are super cool. Look at that, you guys. It's almost like a real candle, but they're flameless, and they are much more safer than like real candles. So thank you so much. Next thing I have here is this little pouch. Oh, you guys, this is so pretty. Oh my goodness, I am like in love with these. You guys, she got me these adorable Chanel pearl earrings. These are so pretty. Look how pretty these are. Girl, these are gonna be my new favorite pair of earrings. I'm gonna be wearing these like all the time. They are gorgeous. Thank you so much. They are beautiful. So the next thing I have here, it says something to add to your pink coffee bar to stir your creamer. I wonder what that is. And I just recently got a little Keurig machine, which is in the back, and she actually recommended it to me. She was like, girl, you need to have a pink Keurig. And I already had a Keurig machine, but then I was like, you're right, I need that pink Keurig. These are so cute. And they're like little sticks to stir your coffee and creamer. These are super cute. They're gonna go like perfect right there. So thank you so much. Definitely love the bling. It's so adorable. So the next thing I have here, oh my gosh, there's like so much, you guys. It's like not even like halfway there. Like, I'm so excited. Okay, so this here looks like that. This here comes bubble wrapped. She just sent me a text message back with heart emojis. I told her that I was unboxing her gift. So it is, oh, this is so cute. It says, yes, girl. It's like a little heart trinket box. I love this. It's going to go perfect in my vanity, and I'm going to be able to put like my rings and all that. Super cute. She definitely loves pink like I do. So here I have this one here, and it says something to put your hot drink on. Let's see. And I love coffee. Like, coffee and tea is like my thing. Oh my goodness, this is so adorable. It's a like a ceramic lip little mat to put your coffee on. This is so cute. I totally love this. Oh my gosh, I am going to have my little coffee station all girly and all set up. I am loving this. This is so cute. And everything is in like the perfect shade of pink. Super cute. Okay, so the next thing I have, it's big and it's heavy. It's this one here, and it comes bubble wrapped. What's inside? She bubble wrapped everything. She put like little confettis in there. It's just like, it's so girly and it's so pink, and I love it. Oh my gosh, and it's inside this other box, so I can't even see what it is. I can't even peek. I think I'm holding it the other way. This is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. I am speechless. This is so stunning. And actually, now I get it. So she sent me these little tea lights because they go inside of the heart to like light it up. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm gonna light it up and then I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like on. It opens like this. This is so cute. I've never seen anything like this. I am just like in love with this. This is stunning. Like, can you guys see that? It has like all these like details on it. And it's all like full of like little gems and everything. Oh my goodness, I can't even imagine how gorgeous it's gonna look with the little tea lights inside. I can't wait. Girl, you are amazing. This is like so beautiful. It's like beyond beautiful. So here is another one. Oh, so she sent me 2 of them. So now I can have one on each side. You guys, these are like beautiful. They're like little lamps. I have never seen a lamp like this before. These are just so gorgeous. I am so excited. So I just wanted to show you very quickly what these lamps look like when I put the Luminara tea light candles inside. They are so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can pick it up in camera, but the candles actually move. They look so realistic. It almost looks like it's a real candle inside of them. Okay, so the last thing I have is this one right here. Oh, these are so pretty. They are lashes. And these look so pretty, you guys. Yes, those are gorgeous. Let me give you guys a close-up. Look how pretty these are. I can't wait to use them. These lashes are so pretty. You guys, I use lashes like every single day. I don't think there is a day you will see me without my lashes. No, except to go to sleep. Like, I am just so used to wearing them. Like, I just need to have lashes on. And I am loving these. These look very like natural and they look like long. So I can't wait to wear these. You are like such an incredible friend, and like I said, I am beyond grateful and so blessed that I found you, and I really hope we continue to be the bestest friends ever, and hopefully someday we will meet in person so I can give you a big great hug. And I can't even thank you enough for giving me these amazing gifts and just being super sweet and, you know, sending these out to me. That was like so incredible. You definitely, like, you made my day, you made my week, you made my year, you made everything. And I just can't wait till you create your YouTube channel so that I can support you, be your #1 fan, and watch you. Like, I can't wait to be able to watch your first video. So you guys stay tuned. Like I said, I will let you guys know when her YouTube channel is up and when she posts her first video, so you guys can go support her. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you so much, girl. And I will see you all next time. Bye.